Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to recover Pandora Jewelry account. Before we begin with the tutorial, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any other tutorials like this. To recover Pandora Jewelry account, first go to any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type us.pandora.net. US stands for country code of USA. With that, press on enter. Then you'll be taken to the Pandora's official website. Now here you can see profile icon at top right section of the website. Click on profile icon. To recover the Pandora Jewelry account, here you can see the login box at the left side. You must remember the email address that you have used to create your Pandora account. So enter your email on the given email box. Then on the down you can see the option of forgot password. Then click on forgot password. Now here you can see the email address. Make sure that you are using the correct email address that you have used to register your Pandora account. Now after checking the email address, click on submit. Now you'll get a password reset email sent on your Gmail. So once go through your Gmail and look for the email sent by Pandora. Then open the given email. Now scroll down. Then here you can see the option of reset my password. Click on reset my password. Then you'll be directed to Pandora's website again. Now here you will need to reset your password by entering the new password. So scroll down, then enter the new password on the given box. Make sure that your password is strong enough and you'll be able to remember it. Then again re-enter the new password on the given confirm new password box. With that, click on save. Now here you'll be again guided to the login page. Now your email will be automatically added to the given email box. Now enter the new password that you have just created. Then click on sign in and continue. With that, you will be able to log into your account. This is how we can recover Pandora Jewelry account. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked this tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.